Session 20. In this session, I will explain the differences between histogram and bar chart. I will also discuss the buttons in the pie plot output. Differences between histogram and bar chart. The first difference, histogram presents numerical data. Bar chart presents categorical data. In the histogram, the class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 40 and 40 to 50 present numerical data and they are taken in the x-axis. Whereas in the bar chart, categories such as names of subjects are taken in the x-axis. The second difference, histogram represents frequency distribution of continuous variables. Bar chart represents comparison of discrete variables. In the histogram shown in the picture, the class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 40 and 40 to 50 represent continuous variables. In the bar chart shown here, the discrete variables are the subjects and the chart is used for comparing the marks scored by a student in each of the subjects. The third difference, in histogram there is no gap in between the bars. In bar chart there is gap in between the bars. You can clearly see in this histogram there is no gap in between the bars since the class intervals are continuous. Whereas in the bar chart there is gap in between the bars because each bar represents a different category. The fourth difference, in histogram one cannot rearrange the bars as they are in the sequence of class intervals. In bar chart, one can rearrange the bars from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. In the histogram, since class intervals have continuous increasing values, the bars cannot be rearranged. In this bar chart, the tallest bar can be placed in the first position and the next tallest and so on in descending order of their heights. And similarly, we can also arrange the bars in the ascending order of their heights. The fifth difference, in histogram, the width of the bars may or may not be the same. In bar chart, the width of the bars must be the same. In histogram, width of the bars depends upon the range of the class intervals. That is, the interval 0 to 20 will be wider than the interval 20 to 25. In the bar chart, each bar has a constant width since the chart compares discrete quantities. Buttons in the pie plot output. In our last session, we learnt how to create line chart, bar chart and pie chart in Python. So you must have observed that in the output window, there are some buttons at the bottom. Let us discuss them one by one. The first one is the home button. Click this button to return to the original view while navigating your chart. The back, forward buttons. Click these buttons to move back to the previous point you were at or forward again. The pan axis button. Click this button to click and drag your graph around. Zoom button. Click this button to zoom in or zoom out your graph. Configure subplots button. This button allows you to configure various spacing options with your figure and plot. The last button is the Save Figure button. Click this button to save your graph in various forms. That's all for today. Thank you.